As of right now, the Bitcoin price is down 12%. This is a dramatic change from just a few days ago, when the Bitcoin price was skyrocketing. It's important to understand why it's happening. So in this video, I'm going to explain what's going on and give you a prediction for the future of Bitcoin. The price of the digital currency BTC has fallen below $7,000 and continues to slide as of November 20th at approximately 8 p.m. EST. A correction in the market or a bear attack. It is not easy to tell if it is just a minor hiccup or something more sinister. Some say that Bitcoin's crash could be a result of the separation of its two most prominent market participants, institutional investors and retail investors, which created an imbalance between demand and supply. The issue was brought to light by New York Times reporter Nathaniel Popper in his article. Bitcoin's Unraveling shows how often virtual currencies are misused as money. In his piece, he explains why Bitcoin is failing as a currency and how its failure could lead to other cryptocurrencies taking over its role in digital transactions instead of the original blockchain-based digital asset. As most of you already know, Bitcoin is a digital asset created by Satoshi Nakamoto, who launched a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The idea is to offer a currency that is decentralized and that operates outside the control of any government or centralized entity, instead of relying on trust in central authorities that can print money. It relies on cryptography and math to secure transactions and to manage the creation of new units. In order to use Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet, which is a digital location for your money. It's similar to an email account that you use to store your money. You can send and receive Bitcoins like cash, unlike traditional currencies. Bitcoin is not regulated by any country or banking authority. The total number of Bitcoins that will ever be available is finite and can never be increased. Institutional investors have been slow to enter the crypto market. This is due to a number of factors, including the volatility of the market and concerns over security. But now, as the prices of cryptocurrencies tumbled, many are rethinking their positions. The net flow of institutional capital has been negative in the market as of late. In fact, according to data from Crypto Compare, the total crypto market cap has fallen by $300 billion to $600 billion in the past few days. Some are speculating that the major crypto exchanges are experiencing technical issues that are resulting in a temporary drop in trading volume. This could be playing a role in the current bearish trend. Another reason for Bitcoin's crash could be the fact that the blockchains that support the other cryptocurrencies are not scalable enough. Bitcoin, the flagship cryptocurrency, is the most popular and is used for more than half of all transactions. But the blockchain that supports it can only process about 7 transactions per second. Most of the other cryptocurrencies have similar issues. The overregulation in the crypto market is also a cause for concern. Crypto exchanges have been the target of security breaches, hacking attacks, and fraud. For example, South Korean exchange Bitham was recently hacked. The company announced that more than $13 million worth of cryptocurrencies were stolen. This shows that despite regulatory policies and efforts to keep the market orderly, there is still a lack of security in the system. Is Bitcoin dead? Bitcoin has seen better days. The prices of the digital coin have fallen by more than 50% in the past year. This could be a sign that the market is entering a period of consolidation before a new rally. It could also be a sign of failure if opportunities are not seized to make the blockchain-based digital asset a mainstream form of payment. The blockchain-based digital asset was created to operate outside the control of any government or centralized entity. But now, it is facing stiff competition from other cryptocurrencies with better scalability and a lower cost of transaction. As a result, many have been calling for the end of Bitcoin as a currency. On November 19th, finance professor Robert Slimer tweeted that Bitcoin is dead and long live other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is not dead. It's just in a correction. Its crash could be a result of a correction. A correction could be a sign that the market is finally realizing that scaling issues are the biggest issue facing the blockchain-based digital asset. It could also be a sign that institutional investors are finally withdrawing from the market. What it definitely is not is the end of Bitcoin as a currency. If anything, it is just the beginning of a long-term financial technological revolution. Bitcoin is just one of many cryptocurrencies, and while it might be experiencing a short-term correction, it could be just getting started. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to our channel for more crypto and blockchain news.